Hey trader, welcome back to MFS Trading. In this video we will be going through our very simple yet profitable Elliot Wave trading strategy. As usual, we'll have plenty of practical examples. The idea is to fully understand this wonderful trading strategy. The very important point that everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading and crypto trading. Because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets. So we're going to go very in-depth in this video. Before starting today's video, you can support us by using the links below the description, or you can also join Telegram to receive free daily signals. Let's get right into the video in this trading strategy. Elliot Wave Theory. Inspired by the Tao theory and by observations found throughout nature, Elliot concluded that the movement of the stock market could be predicted by observing and identifying a repetitive pattern of waves. Elliot was able to analyze markets in greater depth, identifying the specific characteristics of wave patterns, and making detailed market predictions based on the patterns. Elliot based part his work on the Tao theory, which also defines price movement in terms of waves. But Elliot discovered the fractal nature of market action. Elliot impulsive waves and corrective waves. Elliot wave theory will require looking for a pattern of 5 consecutive waves before making a trading decision. Elliot wave theory begins by identifying 2 different types of waves. First, impulsive waves. Impulsive waves move in the same direction as the overall trend and are trend supportive. Second, corrective waves. On the contrary, corrective waves move against the overall trend. These waves occur in a series of 5. Elliot wave theory will require looking for a pattern of 5 consecutive waves before making a trading decision. Impulsive waves and corrective waves are perfect opposites. However, the trading theories that make them useful remain unchanged. The impulse moves and correction are one of the basic underlying principles of market structure. And understanding market structure besides the obvious support and resistance levels, we will now explore how you can use impulsive and corrective waves in order to increase the probability of earning strong returns. Learning how to trade Elliot Wave. The basic principle of the Elliot Wave theory is that over a certain period of time, prices move in certain patterns. Ralph Nelson Elliott found out that any trending movement can be broken down into a 5-wave sequence. He labeled these waves 1 through 5. One of the Elliot Wave strategy rules is that waves 1, 3 and 5 often formed in the direction of the trend. Waves 2 and 4 are price movements against the prevailing trend. In this example, Elliot Wave observed this after a 5-wave move in the direction of the prevailing trend. There is a corrective 3-wave movement in the counter-trend direction labeled A, B and C. In Elliot Wave theory, the 5-wave moves in the direction of the trend. It is also called motive waves, while the 3 waves corrective move against the 5-wave move is also called corrective waves. This is quite useful, because we can now break any price trend movement into this basic 5 to 3 wave pattern. Each impulsive and corrective move is a series of waves oscillating up and down. This shows that we have waves within waves. This means that a 5-wave sequence in a 1 time frame might be simply the first wave in a longer time frame. In other words, this is simply confirming the fractal nature of market theory. Let's lay down some of the rules of the Elliot Wave strategy. It can assist us in determining to find good Elliot Wave's entry points. But what time frame should you use with the Elliot Wave strategy? In theory, Elliot Wave patterns are fractal and should apply to any time frame. Therefore, the best time frame to use is the one you're most comfortable trading. If you're a day trader, you may use 1 minute, 5 minute or 1 hour time frame. If you're a swing trader, you may use 4-hour daily or weekly candles. If you don't know what your strength is, then try multiple time frames in a demo account to see which one works best for you. The basic rules of Elliot Wave strategy. The Elliot Wave strategy needs to satisfy and abide by some strict rules in order to validate the 5-wave move. The 3 basic rules. Rule number 1. Wave 2 never retraces more than 100% of wave 1. Typically, the retracement is between 50% and 61.8% of wave 1. Rule number 2. Wave 4 never retraces more than 100% of Wave 3. Typically declines between 38.2% and 50% of Wave 3. Rule number 3. Wave 3 always travels beyond the end of Wave 1. And it's never the shortest one. Wave 3 will normally extend 161.8% of Wave 1. Our favorite way to play the Elliott Wave strategy is to let the first 4 wave movement unfold. Then you have to find good Elliott Wave entry points near the end of Wave 4. This is in an attempt to catch the last wave of the entire 5 Elliott Wave sequence. And now where to start Elliott Wave count. There are different methods traders can use to start an Elliott Wave count. However, the best method to start an Elliott Wave count is to begin the count at an extreme swing high or an extreme swing low. So if you start your Elliott Wave count at the high, you're basically identifying the movement to the downside. Conversely, if you start the count of the low, you're identifying the movement to the upside. However, if you want to find the Elliott Wave cycles of higher degree, you need to start counting the waves from the weekly and monthly charts. According to the Elliott Wave principles, you need to start your Elliott Wave count from the end of the previous impulsive wave. Another challenge faced by Elliott Wave practitioners is the fact that the wave count can be subjective. Here are other examples of the Elliott Wave price action trading. To fully understand this wonderful strategy and to make the most out of it. So there are many different strategies on how to trade Elliott Wave. And ultimately it all comes down to your experience. And how good you're at identifying Elliott Wave entry points. Traders, if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like to it and subscribe to MFS Trading channel. Good luck for you.